was a beginner, one question always confused me. That was, is grammar important to learn English, to speak English, or we can become fluent in English without learning grammar? Do you also think that grammar is important or not? So, today let's understand it is really necessary to speak English, to learn English, or we can become fluent in English without learning grammar rules. Okay, what you think, let me know in the comment box so I can also know. So, friend, in my opinion, grammar is important because I have also learned grammar. So, that is why grammar is important, because when you know grammar, you can understand English more easily and you don't have to struggle to understand what people are saying. Okay, and grammar also make if you know grammar rule, you can easily make sentence clearly, and you can know sentence structure. You can clearly express your thoughts. So for example, if you know difference between I go to school, I will go to school, I went to school, you will know, easily what is happening in present, perfect or past, right? So that is why grammar is important, but you don't need to be perfect in grammar rules. You don't need perfect grammar to start speaking. You know what, there are many learners who learn grammar first, then they start speaking, because of they don't know perfect grammar. That's why they don't start speaking, and this is where they get stuck, right? So firstly, stop making this mistake. You don't need perfect grammar to start. Learn grammar, at the same time start speaking. Okay, so don't make this mistake. Now the question is, can't we learn can't we speak English without learning grammar? So I can't tell you we can learn English without grammar or not, because I have also learned grammar. So that is why I can't tell you. But you know what? One day I had a conversation. So with whom I was talking, he was saying, I only watch movies, and because of watching movies I know English, I can speak English. And he has been watching movies for 5 6 years. So uh, he was good at spoken English, but it is true or not, I don't know, but he was saying. So now you can assume, when you know grammar rules, when you learn grammar rules, you will become fluent in 6 to 1 year, along with learning grammar rule, learning vocabulary, and doing speaking practice, watching videos. You can become fluent in 6 to 1 years. Or if you don't learn grammar, then it will take 5 6 years, right? So now the ball is in your court. You have to decide. There is two ways. You can learn English with grammar or without grammar. I hope I made you understand. So start speaking English, the grammar rules which you know already. Okay, make mistakes, notice your mistakes, correct them, and keep practicing. Remember, learn enough grammar which we use in daily life, which we use in spoken English. And if you are preparing for any exam, or any government or any exam, competitive exam, then you need perfect grammar. Otherwise, in spoken English, you don't need perfect grammar. I hope this video helped you. If it is, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.